Hello, you're looking at a Pentalift style hydraulic dock leveler brought to you by Landco. This unit has a 30,000 pound capacity. Has been tested. We'll run it here for you in just a moment. Has an 18-inch lip, an 81.5 by 71-inch ramp. This is a full hinge style dock leveler. See, we've got it hooked up to power right now. It is 208 230 volt 3-phase. And we'll now operate it for you. If you're interested in a dock leveler or any metal finishing or waste treatment equipment, please contact Landco at 616-887-8300 or online at www.landco-corp.com. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.